Hi you guys, I'm Mala. I am back with another video for you guys, and today's video is going to be my favorite concealers. All things concealer. See my braided hairband? Okay guys, my number one and my most favorite concealer, it is Benefit Benefit Boeing Airbrush Concealer. I am shade number 3 and this is what it looks like. And yes guys, it is pink, and that is also one of the things I love about it. Not that color trumps performance, but color adds to the joy of the performance. So this is what it looks like, and you can see how creamy it is. I'll swatch it and show you. Actually, I'll show it to you on my finger. Yes, I put some tint on my cheeks, and that is why my finger is like this. But I'll show you here also. So this is my exact skin tone. It literally disappears and blends into your skin. Super creamy, super long lasting. I love this product. Very good, and number 1 on my list. Number 2 on my list is a very close number 2, because you guys know how much I like to use both of these. So it's literally alternate. But okay, so this is MAC Studio Finish Concealer SPF 35 NC 45 shade. This is what it looks like. Even this is super duper creamy. This one is almost over. It's the same thing, but just to emphasize my love for this product, this is slightly darker than my skin tone. It's perfect for the extra nasty dark circles. I will show you this one as well. This is slightly dark, but only slightly. My skin tone is NC40 and this is NC45. So yes, I have very bony hands. I'm in love with my braided hairband. Alright then. The only thing is, this does not crease at all. This tends to crease a little bit, so don't use too much of it. It can crease. My favorite concealer number 3, LA Girl Pro Pure Beige is the shade, and LA Girl Pro HD High Definition Concealer is the name of the product, and I love it so much that I actually have multiples of this as well. I really like this product. This is one of the creamiest concealers, one of the most non-creasing concealers ever. I really like it. My shade is Pure Beige, and I will show you. So this again is the exact match for my skin tone. Number 4 is my Maybelline New York Concealer, shade number 20, shade name Sand Sable, and this is your typical brightening concealer. And this is one shade lighter than my skin. See how much lighter it is, but this is what you need to brighten your skin tone. So I can use either my skin tone or a shade darker to conceal my dark circles and problem areas, and after doing that, So before concealing it with a shade darker or the exact shade, do not use a concealer that's one tone lighter. That will make your skin look super ashy. It will make it look worse. It will make it look dark and ashy. So if you want your concealer to brighten your face, then first conceal your problem areas and then brighten. Another product, even though it's not a concealer, from LA Girl Pro HD High Definition. This is Orange Corrector is the name of the product. This is what I use to color correct my skin if need be, and it's a detailed topic, it's a technical topic, so I can totally go into the details of color correction, but let me know if that is something that interests you, and I will make a whole other video on color correcting. If you're interested, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I make awesome content for all you awesome people, and if you like this braided hairband look, it is a 1-minute hairstyle and it is linked above, so please go watch it and learn it and then try it and tell me how you liked it. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.